What if you could double your subscribers without burning out? That's exactly what AI is helping creators do in 2025. Every week, thousands of YouTubers use AI tools like Opus Clip, vidIQ, and ChatGPT to plan, write, and even edit videos automatically. Here's how it works. You give AI your topic, it generates titles, thumbnails, and full video scripts in seconds. Then, with one click, Opus Clip cuts your long videos into viral shorts optimized for TikTok and YouTube. It's like having a full-time editor and strategist on your laptop. I used to spend hours brainstorming ideas and writing scripts. Now, AI gives me 10 viral hooks in under a minute. It's faster, smarter, and frees up your creativity. The secret isn't replacing your voice, it's amplifying it. Let AI handle the data, SEO, and editing, while you focus on storytelling. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tools I use, how I connect them, and how you can 10x your channel's growth starting today.